Hi fellow whiteboarders, Jenny here from Limnu. In this video, I will review Limnu's leading feature. Leading ensures everyone on your whiteboard is always in the same location as you. As an example, this tutor uses the same board with their students for each tutoring session. When the student joins the board, they may be in a different location than the tutor is. Leading ensures the student's view always follows the tutor's. To turn on leading, select the person menu. Then select the person icon at the top. Here you can see who is on the board. Clicking on their name will jump to their location. To force their view to follow yours, select Start Leading. Now the student is in the same location as you. When you move around, zoom in and out, everyone will always have the same view. If you use pins to tag content on your board, you can quickly navigate to each pin and everyone will follow. To turn off leading, select Stop Leading in the Person menu. Happy whiteboarding!